Hi, good evening. What is up? I've just come back from the shoot. Today was a very hectic day, and after a very, very long time, I went out and I am so tired. I hope my eyes are telling you all of that. So, today, what's the plan? I was thinking that, what if I tell you a story and a skincare tip, give you a skincare tip alongside with it while cleansing my makeup off my face. Now, this will be a good way to actually tell you how I do this and also tell you a story about it. Not just about it, but the story is about something else. For this, I need cotton. I just took it out from this. I use this tulip cotton pads. These are available in great offers on Amazon, so I make sure that I call for it once every 4 months because that's how much I need it. Then I'll be using Johnson Baby's oil, vitamin E rich, and I've combed my hair. I've already set my hair and these kalmas, whatever you call them, piche. Now I'm going to take a little bit of oil. Actually, you're going to watch the steps. I'm going to begin with the story. So this is back in July 2016, okay? I was going for my Roka ceremony, which is my engagement, and I was like really tense because I did not know what should I wear and how should I conduct myself because my mother-in-law is a very, very respected person. She used to be in the army, and my father-in-law, again, a very, very respectable person. He was the district health officer of Jammu. He is an incredible doctor. So, in front of them for the first time, and I'd never met them before, and I was like, okay, so I don't know what's gonna happen next, but I was like really, I wanted to be on the best of my behavior and everything. So you must be wondering, what is this girl doing? देखते जाओ बस, ठीक है. दिस इज हाउ आई रिमूव माई मेकअप. हालांकि ज़्यादा मेकअप है नहीं क्योंकि मैंने सिर्फ कॉम्पैक्ट लगाया था और मस्कारा लगाया था जो मैंने अभी छुड़ाना स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया. But yeah, compact is out and I'm going to show you every step, okay? So sorry, I keep looking here and there because I am very, very inclined towards looking at myself than into the camera. Okay, so then what happens? Okay, wait. 3:30 बज रहे हैं एंड मैंने कहा यार स्किन केयर कर लेती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम वेरी, वेरी particular about my skincare regime. And this skincare regime I am so particular about because traveling के दौरान मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा दाने होते हैं. तो I thought might as well just take advantage of this particular thing and situation and let me just do my good skincare and seal my pores and everything. तो रात की कुछ 10, 9:30 या 10 बजे की ट्रेन थी. आई थिंक दुरंतो एक्सप्रेस से हम लोग जम्मू जाने वाले थे. So I was like, okay, chal raha hai, chill attitude. But still I was a little nervous because I was meeting his parents for the first time and I did not know how else to react, I just was not too sure about how else to react. And then, out of nowhere, in this goddamn earth, I get a spider bite.
स्पाइडरमैन स्पाइडरमैन तुलने चुराया मेरा स्पाइडरमैन 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 हो.
Nothing better than that. A spider bite. I'm not even kidding you guys. I'll insert a picture also. A spider bite right on my face. Not on my legs. Not on my back. Not on my foot. Or leg. Like legs से बोल दिया मैंने. But on my chin. My face. I was more than being shocked. I was like, what the f- is wrong with God? Like, how can God do this to me? So I was like, you can't do this to me. I've been so nervous throughout the week that I don't know whether, they'll like me or they'll not like me and matlab, I'm meeting them for the first time and I don't know what will they think about me. So I was, as is very, nervous about this whole act, and then God gives me a very big spider bite on my chin. And that's not even like a joke. It's like something जिसको जैसे टच करो वो और बढ़ता जाता था. तो इतना फैल गया था by the night that my mom said, will you stop touching it now? And I was like, no, I can't, because it's making me really nervous, and I don't know whether I'll be able to carry myself in a nicer manner. And she's like, why won't you be carrying yourself in a nicer manner? चोट किसको नहीं लगती है? I was like, nahi yaar, you don't know. My first impression, I just wanted to be completely right. There shouldn't be any flaw. And she was like, dude, there's nothing wrong with you. And I told Mukul also that, listen, this has happened. Do you think we should cancel? Mukul is like, are you mad? My mom understands that there are chot and all. Ye to lagta hai. And I'm like, okay, chalo. Yeah. So I'm back. I've just washed my face and taken all the residue out. Now I'm going to do another trick, which is I'm going to pull out any other string that's left, and that too with just a little more baby oil. Yeah, coming back. So then I was like really nervous because I did not know what all, like, you know, I'm destined to. But I just know this much. I just knew this much, that now, like, my mom and dad like teasing me because they've never seen me so weak. I'm using this toner. This is Namely Naturals. This is pure steam distilled rich floral blends which help hydrate, tighten pores and tone skin. This is rose and patchouli. So I'm going to double hydrate even today. So my folks, when they started reacting like this, and I was like, why are they, you know, reacting like this? But I was still sure that, you know, now come whatever may, I'm just going to be myself in front of my to be in-laws. And jab first time I mili, to I was obviously very, very concerned, because I was like, I don't know how will they like it. And when I met them, irrespective of whether I had that big a blotch on my chin, my mother-in-law was meeting me for the first time and she hugged me so tight. I was like, wow. I mean, you know, that's how you accept somebody, with your whole heart and soul and everything. So I was like so happy about it. And then I don't know why, but I was getting so conscious, probably because I was meeting my in-laws for the first time. And then something happened, and my mom said that, you know, I can help you cure it. So the next day, the following day, which was 31st of July 2016, my roka had to happen in the morning. Okay. And I was like, I did not know what to do, because I had to wear a little bit of makeup in order to look a little presentable. Bhai, mera hi roka hai, baaju wali ka to hai nahi, to obviously achhi to lagungi na. I'm using this argan oil that I often tell you about. So then I was, you know, having a conversation with my mom, and my mom said, these are 5 drops, by the way. So my mom said that, listen, you don't have to worry a penny. I'll just apply this magic serum on your face tonight and it'll be okay by the morning. So I was like, okay, what is it? So, and my mom knows how much I hate haldi, putting haldi on my face, because haldi stains, okay? It stains big times, and I do not like those stains. I just don't like stains on my face. I am having a pimple. I'm almost getting 2 of them here, if you can see, and one of them is here, and one of them is here, and one of them is here. Okay, I'm about to break out. I hope tomorrow I don't, because this clearly happens because of lack of moisture and eating ilbatawa, which I have been having. So coming back. So my mom creates this haldi and coconut oil ka paste. She said that, you know, you will have to apply this. And I was like, okay. So this was my last resort. And I did not want to. And I did not want to, you know, not listen to my mom on this, because so that was when my mom decided to. Yes. So that was when my mom decided that she's going to give me this amazing, haldi and coconut oil ka paste, and she's going to apply it over here. By the next morning, I don't know what happened, but that spider mark that was there for the last 1.5 days had reduced to 70%. And I was like, what happened overnight? And then I got to know that, oh, haldi actually works with coconut oil. So coconut oil is already something that heals. And then if you add haldi to it, it like quadruples the effective. So then I said, okay, so that it had reduced to a level that I could just use my proper moisturizer and जैसे compact लगा के आज मैंने makeup किया था बिल्कुल वैसे मैं makeup कर सकती थी, and so did I do it. That's how I looked. So yeah, that's the story, and I am telling all of this to you because I want you guys to know there are two things that actually I want to tell you. Let me open my hair now. So there are two things that I want to tell you through this. And the first and the foremost thing is that generally I don't tell such stories, but I told you this was because whenever you are hurt or something or the other happens, you don't really have to give yourself you don't have to really doubt yourself, you know what I mean? Because when you start doubting yourself, that's exactly when you lose confidence, and with that a lot of things go down the drain. So when सबसे important चीज़ भी आपकी लाइफ की आएगी, the only thing that you need to do is you need to be very confident about yourself and just take the right steps. Don't bother yourself with things that are just not necessary. So that's one. And B, when it comes to healing of your skin, always remember there are two things that you need to remember. The first thing is that haldi is a good ingredient, and the second thing is that there's nothing in this world that cannot be healed with a little bit of love. Yeah. So all in all, the whole story is all about how I just got rid of something that was not really required. The confidence that you are born with is enough. Don't let anybody tell you that you cannot do this. Like, even if that's a thought that's coming to you, you need to fight it out, because your personality is not defined by what your features are. Because of all of this, I gained the confidence that despite of that bite, I could attend the biggest day of my life in that year, and I was so glad that I did so. So I hope you like my story, and I hope you can relate to it.